Let's go get the water. That's what it's going to look like. Is that a pumpkin?
Good job, Corbin. Once you get them out of the freezer, pull them out, little balls like this. Pop that in a Ziploc bag, and then when you make an Italian dish, you want to flavor it with some basil, some olive oil. You just throw one of these little pods inside your dish, and you're ready to rock and roll. Pretty easy. It gives it a burst of flavor.
Either shred them and do it that way, or do little slivers. This one's got a bunch it's going to be putting off.
Pull them weeds out, girl.
Okay,
So we add, fresh zucchini. To blanch it, we put it into boiling water for how long?
A minute.
1 minute. Take it out of the boiling water. We put it on trays and separate them. Put them in the freezer. Get them all frozen individually. Then we can place those frozen individuals into a freezer bag or a plastic Ziploc bag, and they're ready to go and they're good for a year. The reason you don't want to just throw them all together in a freezer bag is the water and the moisture on each zucchini they'll stick together real bad. But if you freeze them separately, they'll freeze, and then you put them together and store them in the freezer, and then they don't have to freeze. Then they won't freeze together and make a mess. So we took the individual frozen zucchini out of the freezer, got them in individual bags so they're not sticking together. Now we can put that in the freezer, and whenever we want to cook a meal, we just take as many as we want out, and we throw them on the skillet, saute them, and or whatever we want to do with them, and they're ready to go. Be good for about a year till next year. Got some delicious homemade zucchini muffins right here, and in about 16 minutes we'll have some delicious zucchini bread. Every time she pecks, her hair jumps all over the place.
Alright, Grackle. Doing tricks.
Yoga. Horse yoga.
Caitlin, you want to do his treat?
I don't want more.
Oh.
You go.
Are you hot?
Does he want water? Do you want me to like splash water on him like? The beautiful, the pecking at his glass. The cat's just licking his lips like fresh meat.